In this video, we will guide you through how you can enable the drawing mode in Google Docs so that you can do or insert any shape, any lines, whatever into the Google Docs straight away. So let's get started. All you have to do is just go to the insert menu and click on drawing. And from here, just click on new. It will open up the new window for you, just like that. And you can use any option. For example, if you want to build some shapes like square, you want to change the color of it, or you want to do some other kind of drawings, you want to scribble, just write off your own, something like that. And you want to write some text box like this, or you want to insert a picture or whatever. So what you can do is just, build any kind of lines, whatever you like, and then you can insert all of this into the Google Docs. Just simply save and close here and you're good to go. Just close and you can see that now it is inserted directly into the Google Docs. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.